What are you doing? No, no, don't do that. Okay, so halfway across. Got that little piece left. I'm tired now. I'll finish the rest tomorrow and dig a little bit more. I think we got like 1.5 feet to go. This side gonna be 3 feet. See my little stairs right there. Stairs. It's gonna be 3 stairs or 2, 2 or 3. Anyway, yeah. Big time. Y'all, the pool is getting dug out. That's my son. That's my nephew. They came from Chicago to do the doggone thing. What? They got some.
Water?
Oh, yeah, in the beach. Stop. At the beach, yeah. Nehemiah, stop drinking the water. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, now as you guys can see, I had to go and have a liner custom made. This liner is 800 square feet and it fits perfectly with access liner on each side. We do still have a little pile of dirt on the side, but we're not worried about that. We'll get that up. But anyway, so how beautiful does this look? Totally different from going the cheaper route. This liner cost a little bit over 600 bucks to have custom made, but we absolutely love it. This pool, be careful, absolutely looks a lot better. So what we're gonna do next is be get careful an aerator to give oxygen to the pool so it can stay clear. So this is a swim cut pond. That tree a little bit. A swimming pool we would have had to put in plumbing and electrical and things like that. Okay, so this is our swim pond. and we still have to put in the aerator to keep the water clean and algae and everything out of the pool. Be okay. Be careful. You know how to swim? I got it. Not evil. Be careful. Get up there on the ledge. Get up to the ledge. All right. Okay. All right. I'm coughing. You coughing? So, you guys, if you want to create your own swim pond, these are the things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need the measurements of the size pool that you want to create. You're gonna need a pool liner. You're going to need an aerator. You're going to need the skimmer, the algae control liquid. We just put bleach in the water and to keep it clean because you can't find chlorine drops for the pool in this pandemic. So this is what we did. Oh, and then you guys are going to need a vacuum, a pool vacuum. So, and a sponge mop to keep the pool clean around the edges. So, yeah, it was really enjoyable. Um, and it was a challenge, but such an adventure creating our own swim pond. And we actually, with everything, renting the excavator, getting the pool. We put sand down before we put the pool liner, getting the pool liner in and things like that. So everything pretty much came a little bit under 3,000 bucks. We still have to do our landscaping and everything around the pool for next year. We putting up a privacy fence and things, and I'm just enjoying. I am really enjoying this swim pond. Our neighbors mocked us for like a whole month when me and my daughter started digging a hole. Now all I hear is crickets. Cricket, cricket, cricket. But yeah, anyways, it was enjoyable. We live in Cleveland, Ohio, so we got a late start with trying to build our swim pond, and now we're in. That was in July, August. That was in August, when we finally finished it. So now we're in ending in the end of September, and everything, and hopefully it don't snow before October. I'm just joking. But anyways, no, I'm not. But anyways, yeah, it was real enjoyable, and we did enjoy the pool for a few weeks before we had to. I still haven't emptied it. I got the aerator running and things like that, but I'll probably empty it sometimes. Um, at the end of this month. Oh, to empty the pool, you need a pump. Um, So just your regular normal pump for like if you was to like have a flood in the basement, just something to pump the water out the pool. So that's one other thing that you're gonna need. So I hope that this video, oh, there's my daughter. So I hope that this video encourages you to go and create your own swim pond. And for, especially next year, a question mark, about this pandemic. We don't know when it's going to go away. So enjoy your own backyard in your own swim pond. You guys take care. I'll be posting in this video, with this video, the places where I purchased our things from for the pool. All right. You guys have a great day.